Let's also talk very quickly about buy versus rent, right? Very popular debate, right, for ages and ages. What's your take on this?
So it's a very loaded question, buying versus renting. There's no simple answer because
Yeah.
it's got. So if you talk purely from a financial perspective, buying makes no sense.
Yeah, I agree.
Right, renting makes absolute sense. But unfortunately, like, we are human beings, right, and human beings have emotions. So buying more often than not is an emotional decision. You can say it's a commercial decision too, because people believe when you buy, the property will appreciate.
But
Not
who is going to
always.
sell? You never sell your own home or something.
So the way people approach it is like, I'm not buying for myself, I'm creating this asset for my next generation. The Indian mindset is such that we think of ourselves, but we also think, when we think of ourselves, we're thinking of our next future generations, right? That उनको मैंने एक asset दे दिया, उनको वो appreciate करेगा उनके लिए, मेरे लिए नहीं किया, उनके लिए करेगा. But in terms of Delhi itself, and especially residential, if we're talking of residential, the rental yields are hardly anything.
2.5%, 3%.
Yeah, max.
Yeah.
मतलब आप बहुत stretch करोगे 3% मिल
Okay.
जाएगा.
So
Yeah.
average is 2%.
Yeah, 2% is something that you should be happy with. But what people expect is कि I'm not looking at the yield. People don't calculate the yield. They look at the property कि आज मेरी property की value, for example, 10 करोड़ है. और उसका जो किराया 10 करोड़ की property है, आप मान के चलो कि
2% मतलब 20 lakhs, मतलब 1.5 लाख roughly महीने का हो गया.
1.5 लाख रुपए महीने का आपका किराया आपको मिल जाएगा उसका. बट आप किराया नहीं देख रहे हो, आप देख रहे हो कि अच्छा, एक तो प्रॉपर्टी मेरी उसका कोई अपकीप कर रहा है, कोई उसमें रह रहा है, तो प्रॉपर्टी इज नॉट लाइक गोइंग टू
तो
वेस्ट
मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट हो रही है.
हाँ, मेंटेनेंस जा रही है. नंबर 2, द अप्रिसिएशन, दैट ओके टुडे इट इज वैल्यूड एट 10 CR, टुमारो इट इज लाइक 3 years later 12 CR. आई हैव गेन्ड 2 CR फ्रॉम नथिंग. लाइक मैंने प्रॉपर्टी, नोशनल वेल्थ मेरी बढ़ गई. सो आई एम नोशनली, आई एम रिचर एंड आई एम हैप्पियर कि आई कैन सेल इट एट अ हायर वैल्यू इफ आई वांट.
But apart from that, you would say, purely financially speaking, rent it out. If you're just thinking about, okay, next generation and passing on assets and all, then think of buying.